Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of Gold USD, Euro USD, and GBP USD. I'll try to keep the video short. This is my first time video during the US session. So let's get started. So, my dear friends, in the morning we talked about the gap filling here. When I made a video in the morning, okay, market was somewhere around here, so I clearly told you all that there's a high possibility of market coming down to test this support here. So as per our expectation, DXY came down to 110.5040 level, and we can see right now that DXY is trying its best to take support around this level. Okay, so right now, to be honest, it's better to wait and watch, because still we don't have a clear position on DXY. We can just see that right now DXY is trying its best to take support here. So if DXY succeeds and starts going up from here, then yes, for the next 1 or 2 candles you may see good upside and you can plan your trades accordingly. On the other hand, if the selling pressure increases after a few hours while I'll be sleeping during my sleep, then yes, there will be a big fall. There can be a big fall on DXY as well. But today we don't have any news, as we all know that usually fundamentals drive the market. Fundamentals give direction to the market and technicals help us for entry and exit. And today we don't have any fundamental factors that will bring volatility to the market. So as a result, there is a possibility that after breaking the support also, the market may remain slow. Okay, in that case you may see a retracement and going down. Okay, if market starts going down, then the next support for DXY will be 109.50 to 109.30. but as of now we don't have a clear picture on DXY, so it's better to wait and watch. Now gold. So this is the chart of gold USD. As you can see right now, that gold is almost standing at the previous high here, and gold is trying its best to take support. So as per our expectation, okay, gold took support around 1666. Okay, as per our expectation, this level worked almost finally. Okay, those who took a buy position, hopefully you made good profit. Personally, I didn't take any buy position. Actually I was doing some work. Okay, I missed the opportunity, but I did some scalping around here. Okay, I made around 20 pips, so it was a good trade. Okay, but yes, I missed this opportunity. Okay, anyways, as you can see right now, that DXY as support, crucial support. Don't know in which direction it will move. After a few hours only we will get the confirmation. Here also we can see a similar picture. Gold is standing at the previous high. In case DXY starts falling, if you see DXY going down, okay, then you can take a small buy position here. You can take a small buy position on gold above 1682. Above 1682 you can try a small buy position. But my dear friends, personally, I'll suggest beginners, new traders, and those traders who do not have much capital right now, okay, try to avoid placing any buy position at breakout, because whenever you do not have much volume in the market, okay, whenever you don't see big size candles in the market, you should avoid breakout trades. After a few hours, 4 to 5 hours, if you see good amount of volatility in the market, then you can consider a buy position. But if the market remains like this, then it's better to wait for some retracement, and then you can go for a buy position at retracement. Okay, buying at retracement is much more safer in comparison to breakouts, because breakouts are good, but false breakouts are heartbreaking. Okay, so after placing a trade at a breakout, if it starts coming down, then obviously you will be trapped, and that can be very dangerous. So it's better to wait for a proper retracement, when you'll find that market is coming down. Okay, coming down and taking support around 1680, 81, 82 level. Okay, then you can place a buy position. That can be a much better opportunity for you. And in case after a few hours, if you see market going down from here, this time, okay, this time 1666, 1667, this level may not work as proper support here. Okay, there is a chance, there is a possibility that market may break this support and starts going down. In that case, your next support will be 1657. Okay, in and around 1657. Never forget that these levels do not work as lines in the market. Okay, market always work in zones. Okay, that's why in most of my charts you will see me drawing blocks like this. Okay, I always draw blocks like this. Okay, I usually try to avoid drawing lines. Okay, anyways, if market starts coming down, possibility of market breaking this level this time and going down, and in case that happens, then you can expect the market to take support here. If market comes to this level, take support and bounces, go for a buy. Okay, go for a buy. But again, I'll say here, instead of placing a buy order at breakout, placing a buy order at retracement is much more safer. Now let's move towards the Euro USD. Euro USD lovers must be impatient right now. As we can see, Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD is right now trading near this 1.00, the parity level. Okay, so no need to do anything right now. If you have watched my previous video, okay, then keep in mind that this is our no trading zone. This is our no trading zone. No need to place any trades. The strategy remains the same. The strategy does not change here also. The strategy still remains the same. What you need to do is just wait for a proper position from DXY and buy at retracement, because we need to save our capital. We are not here to gamble with our hard-earned money. We are retail traders. We need to respect our capital. My dear friends, sorry for going so fast. If you're looking for detailed analysis, then please watch the videos that are uploaded today during the Asian session, because this is my first ever US session video. I'm trying to wrap it up, okay, as fast as possible. Okay. Now let's look at the chart of pound dollar GBPUSD. GBPUSD is standing at 200 moving average here, and the same level is also previous support. Okay, previous support right now acting as resistance. Same goes with the same goes with GBPUSD also. We don't have a clear picture right now. Sadly, I made a video on the day when we when we didn't have a clear picture. To be honest, I was also not expecting that during the US session we will get to see such a picture. Okay, where I will not be having much levels to share with you all. No need to do anything. See, as a trader, you should know when to trade, when not to trade. With the help of support alag patterns, different patterns, we know when to trade. But it's also extremely important for a trader to know when not to trade. So today is a not to trade kind of a market. So please avoid the market, respect your hard-earned money and capital. Try to stay away from the market, at least for today. I'll be coming down again tomorrow during the Asian session. You'll find my video. Okay, you'll get the next update. So this is it. Hopefully you understood. Bye bye, take care. Thank you so much for all the love and support.